Innovation driven by customer needs, empowering the future with technical services. Guangdong Ruihui Intelligent Technology Company Limited is a national high-tech enterprise focusing on high-end metal forming automation equipment, integrating R&D, production, sales, and service. The company was established in 2000. After nearly 20 years of development, the products mainly include silver feeder, precision straightener, heavy uncoiler, 3-coordinate transfer manipulator, high-efficiency, high-speed blanking line, distrunking system, robot integrated systems, hot forming automatic transfer systems, and other automation equipment for the full range of metal forming products, and can provide a complete set of automation solutions for metal forming digital manufacturing plants. Since the establishment of the company, the 5-in-1 development concept of team is the foundation, market as the leader, technology as the core, manufacturing as the guarantee, and management as the basis has been determined. Now, Guangdong Ruihui Intelligent Technology has developed into a well-known leading brand in the domestic industry, and its influence extends to all over the globe. Products are widely used in automobiles, new energy, home appliance, and many other industries. The product range covers various application scenarios such as on-calling, straightening, sharing, loading, and unloading, distrunking, handling, transmission, and testing. Ruihui has served more than 3,000 customers worldwide, including a large number of world-renowned enterprises such as Magna, Lear, Honda, BMW, Chigo, Dotco, etc. Ruihui Intelligent Technology Company Limited has been awarded various honorary titles such as National High-Tech Enterprise, Specializes Special New Enterprise, and Innovative Small and Medium-Sized Enterprise. It has been rated as Guangdong Engineering Technology Research and Development Center and Guangdong Provincial Intellectual Property Demonstration Enterprise. Ruihui has passed ITSS Information Technology Service Operation and Maintenance Service Capability and CMMI Software Capability Maturity Model Certification. Ruihui Intelligent Technology now has a production base of more than 20,000 square meters, large vertical gantry machining centers, horizontal CNC gantry machining centers, horizontal boring machines, small machining centers, and CNC lathes and milling machines. Purchase laser cutting, CNC bending, CNC blanking, welding, and sheet metal production lines, and added a complete range of testing equipment and R&D equipment to ensure the company product quality and accurate delivery. After more than 20 years of precipitation, Ruihui Intelligent Technology currently has more than 300 employees, including more than 80 engineering R&D technicians and more than 30 after-sales teams to ensure the comprehensive service level of the project. At present, the company has 13 invention patents, 58 utility model patents, 71 authorized patents, 10 software copyrights, passed the ISO 9001-2015 certification, and has 441 models of products that have passed the CE certification of EU. The company has been awarded the contract-abiding and credit-worthy enterprise in Guangdong Province for many years. The company has always practiced the quality concept of quality, its social responsibility, the mission of helping manufacturing companies to become industry champions through the implementation of the value of Ruihui products. With the new development idea of creating high-quality products and high-quality services, we pursue to better create value for the society. It is always oriented by customer needs, responds quickly, efficient, and professional, and make a contribution to the early arrival of the Industry 4.0 era of intelligent manufacturing in the global manufacturing industry. With the values of value co-creation and benefit sharing, Ruihui Intelligent Technology fully gather the rich experience of industry elites at home and abroad, with the enterprise spirit of endless life and continuous struggle, adheres to the craftsman's spirit of excellence, and does its best to create more value for customers, create greater wealth for enterprises and employees, and take more responsibility for the society. Successfully completed projects and dazzling honors have witnessed the high-quality development of Ruihui technology. In the future, Ruihui technology will keep its original intention, continue to make efforts, innovate continuously, strike forward on the journey of creating the self-power of stamping automation. Run until innovations, human unstoppable imagination.